Good afternoon, guys. The work for the septic, and we are now receiving the metals. Yeah, the D16, D10, D8. That's what we are receiving right now, as you can see. This is what is going on. Yeah. The 6, 50. Yeah, that's confirming now. That is the 8. The 8 we wanted 70. The 10 we needed 60. And the 16 we needed 26. 70. So now the 10. 60. This is how things are. So this is how things are now. We are going to, that is now the 10 now. The 10. Hizo ni ngapi? Haya, hajawekwa 10. Imewekwa excess. Imewekwa excess. Excess yani 10. Excess ya 10. So those ones are 13. We need 60. Ikiwekwa hivyo inakuwa mzito sana. Ikiwekwa mingi. So 7 comes. Okay, 7. So that makes it 20. 20. So 7, so that makes it 20. Makes it 20. It is 20. We are receiving now, that is total of 20 decam. 40 more to go. 40 to go. 40 to go. 40 to go. Hizo ni ngapi sasa? 10. So 30. So that is That is now 30, 30, 30. So we need 30 more. So 30 more. So the other guy is now tired. But his work, well, 2. Ngapi hizo? 9. Imefika? Oh. Hiyo ni 40. 40. 1, 1. This is another 10. Forty. So that makes it 50. It's 50. 50 now. 50. 50. Hizo ni 10? Oh. Sasa hizi hawezi beba peke yake. Hizi zingine ni sawa, lakini hiyo shua ni oye.
Masai mwenyewe tuliangusha chuma hapa kana nyamaza. Kuja na Masai bwana. Amunga kubali tu.
Ngapi hiyo?
Msumari ndio tujui sasa.
Msumari sijui.
Ni msumari?
Msumari ndio zile. Lakini sasa sielewi zimeandikwa aje sasa. Naona tu nails. 5
yeah, 5 inch. 10 kg. That's what it meant. Iko hivyo.
Na hii nyingine ni msumari naona ni kama
kuna nini?
5 inch peke yake.
Ni 5 inch peke yake ilikuwa inaletwa. Sawa. Na kwani zimeoza? Zimerust?
Ni mfua.
Ai.
Ni mfua. Si ati zimerust, ni mfua. Hata chuma ikiguzwa na maji na rust.
Haya, so D16 ni ngapi?
26.
26 eh? Hii ni
70.
D8 70. D10 60.
2060.
Hiyo PT zenyewe? Which one? 1 inch. Hizo? Alafu
Binding 1.
Z iko wapi?
Sete tu.
Now what is that? What is it? Yeah.
Ilikuwa ya? Sete ilikuwa ya 1 inch.
1 inch.
Hakuna.
Kiona hajaweka ya hakuna.
No, na nikamuuliza akaniambia zote ziko zote.
Sasa utampigia utamuuliza seti iko wapi? Site hapo manini? Saini hapa si tuache tu nini?
Alafu hiyo nyingine ni the nails. So
ni hiyo set.
Binding moja na upayo ni mbili.
Wow. Kila saa lazima lete kitu less.
Ndio sababu sisi tunaandika kitu kile tumeleta. Tuweze andika kitu tujaleta.
Kai.
Tubaki na kopi yetu na ubaki na kopi yake.
Siko Masai, wewe Masai.
Mrushe hii. Tutaka vibaya. Kitu unajua.
Masai hii kitu unajua hii. Sasa Masai.
Right, hiyo ni yako. Kuja kukilaimu muhindi nini jakuja. Sio mara. Amaje sisi twende uziro. Hata bana. Leo mzana tunataka kutoka.
Yeah. So welcome back, guys. This is what is going on. Those are washroom doors. It's being fabricated. Yeah, and those other ones there, they've already been done. So this kind of is the last one. So today is the last one. It's like the kind of the flat kind of crooked. That's why he has to can hear the bang bang bang, because we have to utilize everything guys. Yeah. So that is what is happening. Stay tuned as I'm doing for you what's happening at the site. Guys, I'm just up here. I'm up here, and after receiving the steel D12, no, D16, D10 and D8. Now I'm up here. Just want to just bring you to speed to what has happened. Guys, support me in this venture. Prayers, anything. Yeah, subscription, comment, word of encouragement. You can call me. My number is on my bio, and just encourage a mama here. So today the cornices have been fixed, as you can see. Gypsum, and then the cornice right there. Yeah. They use the G block powder to do all this. So here the bathroom is done. Kitchen area is done. On that that studio. So we are on this one. We are still in construction, guys. So here is also done. It's looking nice. And the bathroom is done. Wow. Yeah, so it's just cleaning that is left, and then fixing of the piping was done. So it's the fittings. The door is there. This side we have a challenge because of here. But I guess it shall be fine. So this is the only washroom that is still left. That one is still left. And yeah, that one is still left. The water came in and it rained heavily. Yeah, because the sloping was not done okay, but it's going to be fixed. So guys, just enjoying in this field here. I'm up, and the people are young people are playing their football right there. It's right there. They're doing that right there. Then now we can come and check on this. So terrace was done, but still under process. So the process still continues. Some more to be done, and then the thorough cleaning, and then we shall be good. So we go to this other room and see if the ceiling is already done. The cone is still continuing. He hasn't finished. He got tired. So this side we have here, this one is here, this one not yet. So there are 2 washrooms on these studios that have not been done. But yeah, we are good. We are good. The process is good. It's going on very well. Yeah. So that washroom and this kitchenette has to be done. So when you come in here, yeah, you are home. You are home. When you come here, you see this kitchenette is right here. It's a bit big, and the washroom here hasn't been done. So yeah, and this board is here. The board is here waiting to be fixed. Then the cornice have been fixed already. Looking good. Then yeah, I think that is it for today. And we also received the metal. Received the metal right there. Received those metals. And these guys are just putting everything in order. Put those the steel, those ones there. D16 right there. D10, D8, and we had the T as well here. So those ones there. So everything is going on okay. Yeah, that's our water reservoir right there. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how things are. The Fundi's tired is going away. Right there is the one doing the masonry. And yeah, let me just go and show you a bit of what he has done today. A bit of what he has done today as well, so that we see how things are moving. For now, we don't have many masons in the compound. Don't have many masons in the compound because yeah, the work has scaled down. Has been scaled down, and so yeah, we can't have many of them because of payment as well. Payment up as well. The work has been scaled down. Our major problem now is just to get electricity for this building. Yeah, get electricity. So the skirting was going on, and so far I think most of it is done. That room skirting is all done. This side skirting is done. Yeah, skirting is done. It was in the washroom that was pending, and some sitting room was pending. So continue surveying. Just survey up to down, then we come up again. Yeah, the staircase, it's stalled at that place because of the heavy activities that were happening, like terrazzo, and so this will, I think it will proceed next week, the stairs and then pouring of the terrazzo. Because for the staircase we are doing terrazzo. So here, this side I told you, yeah, we need God's provision, a lot of it, for it to move. Yeah. For this side, that's our store. Keep things there. And we've kept the order that was brought, like nails, that wire there, the hoop iron and the binding wire and the nails there. Yeah. Yes. just like that. So those ones are well in place. So guys, this is how the skirting has been done, and it's looking wow. It's looking meow. Looking very, very beautiful, as you can see. I love this kitchen. I love this place. Just come in and small and nice. It has come out very well, guys. Very, very well. And then this counter. Wow. It's looking nice. What do you think so? This is nice. Yeah. Kitchen. Looking nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so this becomes the sitting room, this becomes the bedroom, and this is the exit. Entry and exit. And then that side I've shown you. We are still processing these things, guys. We're still working on them. Yeah. So they're still around. Yeah. So now we go again, and we see what is this other side. See what is this other side. So mostly we are concentrating on wing B, and up there the studios. So here they were, when I came in, they were working on this skirting. Yeah, so this is skirting that they were working on, and it has come out very well. This room was being skirted. Yeah, so even the bathroom, the skirting is super. And so the skirting this side, not yet, in this bedroom, and kitchen, tiling, and I think it's going on here. So they've done that bit. So it continues, I think, tomorrow, and the skirting as well. So bathroom is skirted, sitting room, bedroom, and the kitchen not yet, and then finishing up here. Yeah. So guys, this is how things are. Let's see what goes on here. Skirting not yet. Tiling not yet, and even the kitchen not yet. Skirting, but the bedroom, sitting room not yet. This side they've decided to do the wardrobe this way. Whichever way, by the way, even this way it's okay. Yeah, even this way it's okay. So you open it at this side. You come in, but how? You open the door this way. The wardrobe is right here. Okay, we shall discuss this. Yeah, we shall discuss this. So skirting and the place for wardrobe is not okay, because it was supposed to be this way, up to somewhere there. So that, but anyway, we shall see. Then we continue surveying. Want to continue surveying. Continue surveying the progress of the work today. So here, let me see here before I go to the other room. Here tiling hasn't been done, and there are windows here that need to be worked on. There are 1, 2, 3. They don't have the wall passes. So these are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 there. And even here, not much has been done. Skirting here, tiling here, everything. And even the upper bit hasn't been done. And here, yeah, that's the washroom with all those things. And even this corridor has not been done. Oh, naenda? Okay. Then this side, skirting hasn't been done. Tiling has not been done. Tiling has not been done in quite a big portion. This bedroom, not yet. And this kitchen, not yet. And this side, not yet. Yeah. Then from here, we now move to this other house. This one we've already come from here. So now we go to ground floor. We now want to go to ground floor. And yeah, let's just go to ground floor. A lot of things have to be put in order here. All those ones, but next week I think they'll start putting up the ladder. Yep. Yeah. So that marks the end. And yeah. That is terrazzo. Terrazzo cleaning was done here, like that. And yeah, that is how things are. This is the building, how it is. So they're supposed to erect a ladder there, take people up. There's plastering here. There's still a lot. There's still a lot on this other side to be done. The windows are being fixed. They're being fixed. Yeah. So guys, that is how things are. They're like that. Thank you. And I think I should close this vlog right here. Right here. Have a blessed day, full of God blessing, and a good night. Kindly like the video, comment, subscribe, support the channel by whichever way you can. Subscribe. Your mama here, Mama Suji. Have a wonderful evening, peaceful night, full of God's favor.